Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they're trying to change the colors, but find and replace is not working, or find is not working. So we're going to go to edit and find and replace, but we just want to find an object. I am going to select one of these, and I'm going to, from selection, this is what the message they're getting. It's an invalid object. Well, why is it an invalid object? If you look, it's a group of 6 objects on a layer. So if you want to replace the colors, you can see that it's, I don't know why it's really 6, but let's go to object and ungroup them all. And there's 1 object, 2 objects, 3 objects. And there's 3 more objects there. So the lines are still there. So let's back up here. So with it broken apart, we need to ungroup it. Just ungroup, don't ungroup all. Then if we want to replace that darker shade of green, I didn't ungroup it. There we go. From selection, find all. It's done it, but now you can go and let's go. Well, let's say we wanted a gray. Let's do the top one. Find from selection. Invalid object, because I picked the wrong. There's the old one. From selection, find all. We're going to make it black. Well, that's not too bad right there. I'm trying to find there's the original. Find from selection, find all. We're going to make it white. And there's a total different look. It's a pretty cool design. Especially the new colors I got. It's like blocks stacked on top of blocks. Very easily drawn. But that's how you find it. If it's a group, it just, if you really look at this, then there's white diamonds going across and black diamonds going across. But that's a pretty cool deal. I might make another video on how you could clone this. Now, the only thing our white ones aren't showing on the back side down here. But if we take and go to make a yellow box and fill it in, go to order, back a page, now the white would show up. So I'm going to make a second video on how you could clone it. In fact, I'm going to show you how to draw this and then clone it where you could very easily change the colors. Anyway, well, that's messes with your eyes. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.